Liam had always been careful with his things. He never lost his phone, his keys, or his wallet. But one Saturday afternoon, something strange happened. He had gone to the park near his apartment to read a book and enjoy the fresh air. It was a sunny day, and the park was full of people walking dogs, jogging, or simply relaxing on benches. Liam found a quiet spot under a large tree. He sat down, took out his book, and started reading. After an hour, he realized he was getting hungry, so he packed up his things and walked to a nearby sandwich shop. As he reached the counter and pulled out his backpack, his heart sank. His wallet was missing. He immediately ran back to the park, searching the ground near the tree, checking the grass and bushes. Nothing. He asked a few people nearby if they had seen a brown leather wallet. Most of them shook their heads. A few tried to help him look, but there was no sign of it. Just as Liam was about to give up, a small girl around 7 years old approached him holding something in her hands. "Is this yours?" she asked. Liam looked. It was his wallet. Everything inside was untouched. He smiled with relief. "Yes." "Thank you so much. Where did you find it?" The girl pointed to the bench next to the tree. "My brother saw it and told me to bring it to you." Liam looked over and saw a teenage boy watching from a distance. Liam waved and shouted, "Thank you!" As he walked away, Liam realized something important. Sometimes, even when we're careful, we make mistakes. But there are always kind people around to help, even the smallest ones.